welcome back. Today's next one is all about solving fractions. So, solving fraction is like working with pieces of a puzzle. You add, subtract, multiply, or divide these pieces to find the answer. It's a fun way to understand parts, especially sa mga grade 3 amount na start na mag-fraction. So, let me give you a sample problem to help you improve your solving fraction skills. So, for example, we have 3 halves plus 1. So kapag hindi sila parehas yung denominator, mostly ang ginagawa natin ay kinukuha natin yung LCD. Paano kukunin yung LCD ng 2 at 3? So the LCD is the least common denominator. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And then yung P naman. 3, 6, 9, 12. So, as you can see, meron na magkaparehas yung P. So, ito yung LCD nila. So, ito times natin, si 3 half, times natin siya sa 3 para maging 6 yung denominator niya. Take note that 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. And 1 times 3 half is 3 halves. So, it is 9 over 6. And then, sunod naman natin is yung 1/3. 1/3 times, so ito times natin sa 1/3 sa 2 para maging 6 yung denominator. Take note that 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. And 1 times 1/3 is 1/3. 1 times 2 is 2. And 3 times 2 is 6. Since same na sila ng denominator, then pwede na natin silang pag-add. 9 over 6 plus 2 over 6. Is equals to 11 over 6. So this is the final answer. But, meron akong bagong technique sa pagkuha ng sa pag-solve ng fraction without getting the LCD. So for example, we have 3 half plus 1/3. So paano natin siya paano siya pag-solving without getting the LCD? So first, gamitin natin yung multiply method. Multiply natin si 2 times 1, that is 2, and then 3 times 3, that is 9. Since addition din yung gagamitin natin. And then, multiply natin yung denominator. Si 2 at saka si 3. So, 2 times 3 is 2. So, 2 plus 9 is 11 over 6. The same dito. So, ganun din sa sa subtraction naman, same lang din yung process. Pero papalitan lang natin yung operation. For example, we have yung 3 half minus 1/3. So, same process pa din yung gagamitin natin. I-multiply lang natin 3 times 3, that is 9. And then 1 times 2, that is, since ang operation natin is minus, then minus din dito. Then, multiply lang din natin yung denominator, si 2 at saka si 3. So, 2 times 3 is 6. Is equals to 9 minus 2 is 7 over 6. So, paano naman sa multiplication? So, for example, we have yung 3 half times 1/3. So, gagawin natin dito, hindi natin gagamitin yung multiply method. i-multiply lang natin yung numerator sa numerator and the denominator sa denominator. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 2 times 3 is 6. So pwede pa natin siyang i-simplify. So pwede natin siyang i-divide both sides by 3. So the answer will be 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the final answer is 1/2. Paano naman sa division? So yung sa division naman, divided by 1/3. So yung itong part, i-reciprocate lang natin yan. Paano yung reciprocate? I-flip lang natin yung 1/3. So yung denominator, magiging numerator na siya. At saka yung numerator is magiging denominator na siya. So 3/2, then magiging 3/1. And then, ang gagamitin natin operation is multiplication. So 3 times 3 is 9. And 2 times 1 is 2. That is the final answer. Alright, that's it. I hope you learned something new today. Anyway, I am Teacher QC at the School Comfort Tutorial Services. Bye!